Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm a fully qualified maths teacher, and in this video I want to give you some hints and tips to best study for your maths exam. Okay, so I completely understand that maths is not everybody's subject. It's definitely not liked by a lot of kids that I've taught and teach. So I think one of the things with maths is people think you either love it or you hate it. Okay, which I disagree with. I think maths is a learning subject. I think the more you practice it and you learn the routines of the questions, I think you can ace your exams. Okay, so it's about repetition, repetition, repetition. What I used to do is I used to have the mark scheme and have the past papers. Okay, I would look at the first question, and let's just say for talk's sake it's expand in double brackets, and I would say, oh goodness, I forget how to do that. So I would go into my classwork book and I would redo the topic. Okay, or you can watch my videos, and I would work through expand in double brackets, learn how to do it, cover the answer, work through it again, see if I got it right, check my answers, and then once I felt confident enough to do a question, I felt it was right, check the mark scheme, yes I've got it, then I will resume back to the paper, look at that first double brackets question and do it this time. Okay, then question 2, compound interest. Go back to my classwork book, work through compound interest, learn how to do it. What are the things to look for in the questions? What way is it worded? What are the most important parts that that question is telling me? Okay, so using that example of compound interest, how many years is it for? Is it definitely compound interest and not simple interest? What's the difference? What percent is it? How many years is it? Is it added on at the end or taken away? Okay, so all of those things are what you need to make sure you have straight in your head. And guess what? Every single compound interest question is done the same way. Every single expand in brackets question is done the same way. If maths was really difficult, I don't think I would have loved it so much. And if it makes you feel any better, in junior school and primary school, I never liked maths. I didn't start liking maths till I came into my GCSEs and found the lovely topic of algebra, and then I loved it. Okay, so if you're in second year at school and you're just starting into big school or wherever stage you're at, even if it is your GCSEs and you're hating it and you just detest it and you don't want to do it and you feel like you can't do it and you feel like you're failing every single exam. And by the way, just when I say that, the word failing is not a bad word, okay? So that big F word for fail is not bad, okay? It just means you haven't got it yet, okay? So just because you failed and you didn't pass, don't be ashamed. Get up and try again, okay? So if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. So just because it didn't work out the first time doesn't mean it's not going to work out the second time. And here, if it doesn't work out the second time, there's always the third time, the fourth time, the fifth time. Just keep going, and that's okay, okay? Remember, life is a journey. It's not about getting to a destination. So when you're working through topics that you do find difficult, I would just say to myself, I haven't got it yet, okay? I can't quite do it yet. I'm almost there, but I haven't got this part yet, okay? And practice does make perfect in maths, okay? So practice, practice, practice the questions till you can't get them wrong, okay? And just tell yourself, I can't do this part yet, but I am going to get it. I am going to do it. I can pass this. I can do these questions. And so what's the worst that's going to happen? I fail, so what? Okay? So turn your mobile phone off or silence it. Get some blank paper, okay? Write your first question at the top you're going to do, or put this over maybe a previous answer in your classwork book or an exam paper. Write what you think you would do. Look at the mark scheme. Look at the answers. That's how we learn. If you got it wrong, right, say, right, okay, I haven't got it yet, but I will get this. Try it again. See how you get to the answer. Comment and ask me in the videos. Send me an email and I'll help you. So just keep working through it. Ask your teacher at school. Look over your notes you've got from school. The internet is an amazing thing. See if you can find it somewhere. But do not, and promise me this, do not get discouraged, okay? Because if I can do it, you can do it. So a nice room, get yourself a nice station to work at. Work through various questions, giving it your best. Set yourself timers, give yourself allocated breaks, and just breathe, okay? Maybe night 1 wasn't a success, but there's always night 2. And remember, if it's all not going well, you just haven't got it yet, okay? But I believe in all of yous. I believe that you can do this and you will do this, okay? So maths is not the end of the world. Work through your past papers, take a topic at a time, don't get overwhelmed, and just believe in yourself, and that will go a really long way. So yeah, I hope that helps. And just remember that just because you can't do something today doesn't mean you won't be a master at it tomorrow. Take care. All the best. Bye.